45, 45, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of my niggas die. Knock you off a base with a bat when them niggas fly. Homicide, genocide, televised, emphasize, perpetuating war. Tell that nigga he gon' pick a side. Hood ties from hood lines, now niggas doing dope lines. Don't run into the cops, that's a big exercise. Don't run into the cops, that's the motto. I don't see it coming to an end like legato. Get chipped like staccato, send a wave through the hood, now it's sounding like vibrato. Why you eat bread with avocado? We be trying to dodge shells before it landing on tomato. Singing all my sorrows on Apollo. I've been trying to pave the way, but they didn't tell me it was potholes. America ain't dreaming, it been skimming with the...
Fucking hell. Oh. Fucking just squash me fingers.
G'day legends, I just want to quickly announce that I have actually teamed up with the legends over at Ozzo, and over the next few months we're going to be giving away a heap of epic rigs. Kicking off with tonight, for just $5 you could win this insane 79 series Land Cruiser that comes fully kitted out, ready to tour Australia, including a superior engineering coil converted rear end. Now if you don't want the car, you can opt for a $100,000 tax-free cash alternative. Like I said, for just $5 you can grab your entries. Put the link down in the description below. Make sure you use that link because it will support and help the channel massively and allow me to continue to create content for you guys. So yeah, the car will be drawn tonight at 9 PM. So make sure you be quick and grab your entries with the link in the description. Cheers.
Look at that. Alright, I just want to say a huge thank you to DIY Customs for supplying us with this DIY rock slider kit. Now they make rock slider kits for pretty much every vehicle, all different shapes and sizes you can choose from. Now if you weren't aware, I got a Patreon where basically all my Patreon members get to choose on what mods we put onto this GQ. So I've asked them what style of rock slider they wanted and they've gone with the standard design. Can get other designs with a kicker on the end and stuff like that, but yeah, my Patreon members wanted the clean, simple, just standard design. Keep it nice and slimline and looking nice and neat and tidy. Now as you can see, it comes with brackets, comes with the tube already bent up, ready to go. I built a few sets of rock sliders now, I think probably about 3 sets. The first set I built was the first thing I ever welded pretty much, and they were absolutely shocking. I got some, I just got some tube, steel tube, it was galvanized, and I cut some miter joints in it, so instead of having a bend like this one here, obviously I didn't have a pipe bender, so I ended up just miter cutting these and they were all wonky and absolutely shocking. Now the last set I built, which was for my GU Patrol, I wasn't able to get hold of a bender, so I ended up just buying some tube and taking it to a local fabrication shop to get them to bend it up. And it ended up costing me, by the time I bought the materials and paid for them to bend the metal up, they costed me more than a set of friggin' rock sliders would have cost me to buy. So we're not going to be doing that again. I think they charged me like $300 just to bend up 2 pieces, so 4 bends, which is pretty expensive. So yeah, if you did want to get into welding, this is a perfect project to start with. Comes with absolutely everything ready to be welded up, everything's all notched. So yeah, it's literally the perfect project to get into welding or fabrication. I will leave the link in the description below, so if you're in the market for a set of rock sliders or you just want to get into fabricating, definitely go and check them out using the link down in the description. And yeah, just a shout out to my Patreon members for helping me choose the design. If you want to get involved in the build of this GQ Patrol and you want to get entries into winning it each month, then definitely head over to the Patreon and sign up today. So yeah, like I said, these come with a lot of different cross braces and stuff like that, so there are many different ways you can put these together. It's all up to personal preference. We're just going to start with one and sort of sit it together how we want it and see what it's going to look like. I think our best bet is going to be to clamp this together. I think I like the idea of, yeah, 2 going that way, 2 going that way. This is how I've done it on my GQ Patrol sliders. I think it looks really cool, so I think we might go with that. So all we're going to do now is mark out our distances between our cross braces, and you can tack it all together. That's how easy it is. So let's do that.
Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me to eat it. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. When me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out.
Alright, I got it all tacked up now. I'm going to go ahead and fully weld it out.
crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up a slitty wherever we flow. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor and stitch up my wounds. Was born a soldier, flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is fun, yeah. What we on now is wild shit trip. Life is slid, take a breath. That's it. Now it's.
I forgot to mention, it also comes with these little end caps for the tube, so we'll go ahead and just weld these on.
Like nothing, nah. Drip black fish, hit the splash button. Landlocked, too bad for him. And they liable to talk, but it's mad rubbish. It don't mean nothing. From the shore, trying to make it to the top floor of the penthouse, pin game, something mad yucks, bros. No sleeping, been a task grab.
Alrighty, that's one side welded out. Now we've just got to weld out this other side. So let's do that. Now it comes with the bits of tube and the universal chassis mounts. Now these are the only parts we're gonna have to do a little bit of cutting, but not much at all, obviously, because depending on how you want your sliders to sit on your car will depend on how long these need to be, and everything like that, and also what angle they're gonna be on. Now they also come with universal chassis brackets, so obviously you can measure your chassis on the car and work out what size these need to be and weld them together. It's also got cross braces which will go like this to stop your sliders from bending, and also the bolts. That comes with all the bolts, washers and everything necessary. Alrighty, so I've just gone ahead and got myself a bloody little bit of a stand here, and I've used some timber to block it up. You can usually use your jack stands, but my jack stands aren't high enough to go all the way up due to the lift and the tires on this thing. So yeah, I've just used these couple of bits of timber and then more bits of timber to get the angle that we want. I am going for a sort of like a clean look. So yeah, it's up to you how you want to mount it. Some people mount it more flat, so it's like a side step. I'm going for the more angled up, slick look. Yeah, I've pretty much got them in a spot where I want them. Now all that's left to do is we'll probably measure up our chassis and make these mounts up. That way we can sort of bolt the mounts into place, and then we can get our tube here and sort of measure between our bracket on the chassis and the rock slider, and that'll tell us what length we need to cut this piece at. So yeah, we'll go ahead and make these brackets up. I'm just going to get under, measure the chassis, yeah, weld these in place, and then you can cut the excess off, whatever.
Then they put you on trial. I was just a young child. Gave you 25 to life, all these years gone by, and you never asked why. All you did was pray to God, all you did was wait your time. Now you about to come home, and I'm about to have a child. It's gonna be worthwhile, it's gonna be worthwhile. Remember nights I cried, now we at the finish line. You was only 21 with a son on the run, no. You was living in the jungle. Got charged for a murder and some weed and a gun, no. You was moving like Rumbo. Did your time like a champ, never rumble. You was on the wrong path, you was young, no. You ain't never let it break you, stay humble. You see the light at the end of the tunnel. I see the fire and the pain in my mama's eyes. I was just a little boy, I always wondered why. Cause you couldn't help raise me by a side. I was taught to speak the truth and never.
Alright, we're gonna have brackets mounted up on the chassis. You wanna make sure when you put your brackets on, you wanna actually do the bolts up tight. Because I made this mistake on the first set of rock sliders I built. I didn't actually put the bolts in, so I've made them up, and then when I've gone to tighten the bolts up, it's just pulled the sliders up and have hit the cab, so I had to cut the mounts off and redo it. So you want to make sure you tighten them bolts up on the chassis. We've got only the two in there. It does come with 3 brackets, but on the GQs, I'm gonna have to show you. Every GQ I've made sliders for up the front, you actually use the body mount for the front mount, just because there's nowhere really to get a chassis bracket on. Alright, so we've got those rear mounts tacked up now. Now it's time to move on to the front mount. So like I said before, we're going to use the front body mount because there's nowhere to attach a mount to the chassis. I usually just use a bit of flat bar. Now this is the other mount included in the kit, so I'm just going to use this. We're going to chop a bit off the end, and then we'll use our these two little bits here and just weld them weld them on here where we need them. This is what we're dealing with up the front end. Obviously we got the radius arm, cross member, everything here, so you can't get a clear shot at the chassis. So yeah, we will be using this body mount here, and basically mounting the sliders like so. So all we have to do now is just notch out a little spot here so we can weld it around that tube, and then weld our 2 little bits on like I said. So, bang. So I've just got this tacked up, we've got our 2 little things tacked up, and I've just drilled some holes through there, which once I pull these sliders off will make it a bit bigger. Now we can probably pull these sliders off and fully weld them out, clean them up a little bit with the grinder, some of my shitty welds, get them painted, and they're fucking done. Let's go.
Life and we gotta look ahead. Glad you alive, I don't gotta say you dead. Only the strong survive, it's a reason you here. Cheers to the next couple years. Then they put you on trial. I was just a young child. Gave you 25 to life, all these years gone by, and you never asked why. All you did was pray to God, all you did was wait your time. Now you about to come home, and I'm about to have a child. It's gonna be worthwhile, it's gonna be worthwhile. Remember nights I cried, now we at the finish line.
Alrighty, we got the sliders fully welded out. I nearly forgot to put them braces on, so I just finished welding them braces on now. I'm throwing them on the back of the big GU here, and we're going to take them home and lay some paint down on them. Well, first we'll do a bit of grinding. We'll just have to clean up our end caps and a few other shitty welds that I've done, but we'll lay some paint down on them, and then once the paint's dry, we'll bring them back over and get them bolted onto the truck.
The only goal I'm trying to see right now is a whole lot of money.
It just got real. Say how you feel. Got is mad. Yeah, that's too bad. Off my dick, I got him stressed out. Look at me, I'm blessed now. Tell him I'm the best out. Giving nothing less. You get to see my third eye. You see my halo. Untamed, no cage, ho. Flip it through the payroll. I'm about my banknotes. Good look, they taking those. What if we waiting on? It's what I pray for, right? Black, tell them back. Just how I get my lick back. On a get back. They won't hear me get the last lap. I'm the last. Standing all 10 in the grass patch. Running cash grab, yeah. I'm off the medicine. They on the sedatives. Finna settling. I'm him, no questioning. Up late, no rest again. Them ain't threatening. It's what I invested in. Bring the blessing in, yeah. If somebody told you that they know me, then they told you it's a story. Keep my business on a low key, yeah. If you fuck me,
Righto, there we have it, all done. Make sure if you're in the market for a set of rock sliders, or if you want to get into fabricating, definitely go and check out DIY Customs. I'm going to leave all those links down in the description below. Thanks heaps for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. I just want to give a shout out to Vic Off-Road. Now, they supplied me with this bunker indust winch a few months ago, and I've been putting it to the test, and I cannot fault it. It is an absolute awesome winch. Now, they have actually given me a discount code for you guys to use. So if you use the code HOSKIN, HOSKIN, at checkout, you'll get 10% off this 13,000 pound bunker indust winch. So definitely click the link in my description and head over to the Vic Off-Road's website if you're in the market for a winch. Cheers.